aren't here, you missed an amazing time. So we ended up having 40-some cars yesterday for the run and for East Cafe, and it was a great time. A couple things I just want to say. We got to thank all of our sponsors this year. The raffle gifts are off the wall. We're going to be running the raffle a little bit different than when we've been here before. We just got to pick a ticket, pick what you want. But we're doing, somebody suggested doing like a penny social raffles. So what we do is there'll be bags in front of each of the items. You take your one tag, one ticket, and put it in your bag, and then we pick out of that bag, so whatever you want. So everybody said they thought that would work better. We've got a couple big raffles. One is Whiskey University. I don't know where Jenny is. Right here. Jenny over there and Andy. They pretty much won it. They are bourbon connoisseurs. So, and that prize is up to for 10 people, and then you kind of figure out the location. They put it on. It's a tasting, pairing, and am I pretty good with that, Jenny? Yeah. Okay. If you need to talk to Jenny about it, it's $50. Okay. But it's a $1,000+ prize, so it's really great. Then we also have, if you've seen yet, thank Jenny and Andy. And then we also have a Steve Rizzer original, and if you've ever seen him on Facebook, and I've posted some of his stuff, his art is amazing. Not like mine, but his art is amazing. And we also have a VIP Flyers tickets, which is, I don't know where Shane is. Tell you all about it. It's a big deal. It's a VIP thing. Plus, with that, there's another $74 worth of raffle tickets. Yep, lottery tickets. So, then there's a bunch of other stuff, all kind of mixed in. I think. We need to get the count because we're doing a prize for the count. So when we figure out what that count is, we'll know. Right now, from what I heard, it's over 80. So I was really hoping to break 100 the 10th year, but it's all okay. So the most we've done is 97. The least we've done is 60 times. So. Now some of the things when we run today, as you see, we're running in different groups. And I'm sorry I can't keep everybody together. I always have the largest group. That's my group in front of the GP. Bushy, right here. Who's the leader of? Bushy. Who's the leader of this group? The Bushman. The Bushman. And then we have primarily the plumbing group here. I'll be leading that group. Okay. Then we have Shane, who's running the group. So if for any reason, if you're in one of the groups, and you can't keep up with the guy in front of you, because that's very important, you're going to move down to my group, okay? Because I'm going to be the last group out of here, but I've got people spread in between there to keep everybody together, and I'm not opposed to pulling off and everybody catching up. So it's my job to be responsible. I can't say I always have been, but it's my job to do it. So pull over to my group, don't feel bad about it, but we don't want anybody driving too hard, driving over your head. We're all responsible for our own driving, so we just don't want to do that. I don't want to waste 10 years, not an incident. Keep an eye out for the deer. I was running last week with Shane. We just tried to catch up. We had a deer, and it was close. So just keep a watch out for the deer. The first stop on this first part is the Sandcastle Winery. The reason we go there is they've got good bathrooms. We used to go to the airport and they got one bathroom and a porta john. And I think most of the guys use the woods. So that's reality. So that's our first stop. When we leave the winery, the next 40 minutes is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, we're running a different route than we've ever run before. So, if you're behind me, you got to be a little careful. Everyone for coming out. We got a beautiful day. Let's have fun and let's make the best of it. Thank you very much, everybody. 18-0. And Cheryl's going to be on her phone. So she's got a good, Cheryl's got a good, does a great job. And I'm glad people love driving in that group. So if anybody has any questions, let me know. Yes, sir. Yeah, me too. If anybody doesn't know that story, it's all the groups left here last week, and I didn't have last year, and I didn't have my key. Somebody else who had it had already left, had it in their pocket. So we're scouring the whole parking lot for my key, and it wasn't there. So stay safe, drive well, have fun. Thank you.
I'm leaving the car, right?
You said yours is nice.
Okay, so you ordered stroke too.
Well, it was all, yeah, it was done.
Okay.
When they rounded it,
So to keep it under 1 litre, because it was in the 1 litre class.
yep.
So put the twin inch and a
Yep.
inch and a quarter
It's
SUs on
basically,
it.
that's, it's
Nice.
super spec.
Right.
Because it's 16, it's one of them. This is 56.
Okay.
S came out in 63.
Taking down a tree here. You gotta fucking drop that fucker right in the street.
Yes, they are. No, they're not. That guy's gonna pull it. That guy over there with the truck over there.
It should be up higher.
It is. It's on that the little notch.
Let's see what he does.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what
I'm
happens.
telling you, this one's going in the street.
Let's see what
Take
happens.
the wire stuff out.
Oh, don't get out of the car if the wires start coming down.
Let's go, 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 go.
I wanted to see it. I wanted to see it go down. It's like right there.
You're going the wrong way. Thank you. Which way do I go? That way. Yeah. That way. That way.
That way?
That way.
Oliver's lost.
That way. Give us all a chance. Like I say, we're staying on this road for a while. It's like I said, I'll gather up at the church we did yesterday.
That guy was waving. What are you waving at?
Holding back on this so quick and get my clutch run.